My dear aspirants, today we are going to talk about various banks exam. First of all, we need to know that there are three institutes which conduct bank entrance exams. That is IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, State Bank of India, and RBI. Now, these three institutes conduct exams for the selection of clerks, for the selection of PO, probationary officer, and for the selection of specialist officers. Now, first of all, we are going to talk about clerical jobs. Clerks in IBPS, clerks in SBI, and assistant in RBI. Now, we are going to study comparatively about these institutes. Which are the similarities? Which are the differences? My dear friends, first of all, the eligibility. Age eligibility for IBPS and for SBI and for RBI for general category is same. It is between 20 to 28 years. And regarding OBC, 31 is the upper limit. Here also 31, here also 31 is the upper limit. And regarding SC and ST, 33 is the upper limit, 33 is the upper limit, and 33 is the upper limit. It means that they have given relaxation of 3 years for OBC, and for SC and ST, they have given the relaxation of 5 years. Now, the comparison between the salary, basic salary will be 19,000 over here, 19,000 over here, and 20,700 over here. By adding allowances and by adding perks, it makes roundabout 47,920. It makes over here roundabout 30,000 and 40,000 for RBI assistant job. Now, the most important part is exam pattern. My dear friends, for all these three institutions, preliminary and main exam will be conducted. Preliminary exam will be the qualifying exam. If you clear the preliminary exam, then only you are able to take main exam. But in final selection, preliminary exam marks won't be counted. Now, here interviews won't be there, but little bit difference is there. What is the difference? Document verification will be done after you got selected in the main, after your name is there in the merit list. Here in SBI, the test of specified opted local language will be there. Now, here in RBI, the LPT, language proficiency test will be there to check your reading, writing, and speaking skills. Now, the exam pattern in the preliminary test will be reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude, and English language. Reasoning will be 35 questions of 35 marks, 1 mark every question. Quantitative aptitude, 35 question again of 35 marks. English language will be 30 questions of 30 marks. So total will be 100 marks test of preliminary if you appear for IBPS clerical exam. Let's go next to SBI clerical exam. You see the same reasoning ability 35, quantitative aptitude 35, and English language 30. The same 100 marks, these many questions, same number of marks, because one question will have 1 mark. Third, RBI. In RBI, you see the same reasoning ability, quantitative, English, same marks 35, 35, 30, and in total it will be also 100 marks. So you see one common thing, that preliminary exam for all the three exams will be the same. One more thing is same, which is minus 0.25 marks will be deducted for every one wrong answer in all these three type of exams. Next comes mains. Main exam, only those candidate who will clear the prelim, they will be able to take the main exams. Now, in lakhs every year, so many candidates apply for this prelim test and they appear for that, but very few got selected. But those few will be 20% than the openings, 20% more than the openings or the jobs or the vacancies. So all those candidates are going to give main exams. In mains, 4 tests will be there. First, reasoning ability and computer knowledge. It will be having 50 questions, and quantitative aptitude will be having 50 question for the second test. Third test will be of journal awareness, 50 questions again, and then English language, 40 questions, and total 190 questions of 200 marks will be there. Second, let's talk about SBI bank clerical exam. Here again, reasoning ability and computer knowledge will be having 50 questions, quantitative ability 50, general awareness 50, English language 40, same as that of IBPS clerical exam. For RBI assistant entrance exam, there will be 5 tests of 40 marks each. First, reasoning ability 40 marks, computer knowledge 40 marks, quantitative 40, and then journal awareness 40 marks and English language 40. The difference between RBI assistant exam and SBI clerk and IBPS clerk exam is that here in both the cases, reasoning ability and computer knowledge, they make one test. They together will have 50 questions. And here the reasoning ability and computer knowledge, they are the separate 2 tests of 40 marks each. So my dear friends, here again in main, their 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. Here also SBI means 0.25 will be deducted for every wrong answer, and here also the same. So the negative marking, so far as concerned, it's the same for all the 3 exams. So I hope I have saved you a lot of time by answering your so many queries in this short compact video. God bless you. All the best for your entrance exam.